5G network slicing. So, 5G stands for fifth generation, and it's a new kind of technology for connecting to the internet on your phone or other devices. It's faster and can handle more data than the previous technology, 4G. Network slicing is a way to divide the 5G network into different parts, or slices, that can be used for different things. Think of it like a cake where each slice is a different flavor, but they're all made with the same ingredients. Each slice can have different characteristics to suit different needs. For example, one slice of the network could be used for really fast video streaming, so people can watch movies and shows without any lag or buffering. Another slice could be used for things that need to be extra secure, like online shopping or banking. And another slice could be used for things that need to be very reliable, like self-driving cars or remote surgery. To create these different slices, the network needs to be carefully designed and managed. This includes selecting the right hardware and software, and making sure that each slice gets the right amount of resources, like bandwidth and power. There are several steps to implement a 5G network slicing, but in summary, identify the different use cases that require different network slices. Design the network slices to match the requirements of the different use cases. Implement the network slices by allocating resources such as bandwidth and power to each slice. Manage and monitor the network slices to ensure they are working as expected. 5G network slicing has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries, including healthcare, transportation, manufacturing, and more. By providing customized, dedicated networks for specific use cases, 5G network slicing enables new, innovative applications and services that were not possible with previous generations of mobile networks.